It's 9 a.m. Your whole day is free. Except for one thing. A dentist appointment at 3 p.m. So the laundry doesn't get started. The project doesn't get opened. You barely leave the chair. 6 free hours spent orbiting one small square on a calendar. Why does one appointment paralyze 6 hours? People call it waiting mode, a community name, not a diagnosis. But the wiring underneath is real. Watch the timeline. This isn't procrastination. Procrastination avoids the task. Waiting mode guards the appointment. Look at the 2 columns. Your brain took one job this morning. Don't miss 3 p.m. Psychologists call that job prospective memory, remembering to do a future thing. Holding an intention isn't free. Your brain posts a sentry who keeps checking the clock. See him on the wall. In 2003, psychologist Rebekah Smith found signs of the tax. Carrying an undone intention made people measurably slower at the task in front of them. The sentry bills by the minute. Now, the second layer. A 2021 meta-analysis links ADHD to unreliable time perception, the thing people call time blindness. Watch the 2 clocks drift. If your inner clock can't be trusted to ring at 2030, the sentry compensates. He checks more often, and every check eats focus you needed elsewhere. Each check arrow nibbles the focus bar. One appointment. Hours of background polling. Watch the hours hatch out. You never even enjoyed the waiting. The hatching swallows hour after hour. You know open loops from our 100 Unfinished Projects episode. An appointment is an open loop with a countdown. See the countdown bolted onto the loop. In first-century Rome, one man audited hours the way bankers audit gold. Seneca, On the Shortness of Life, Chapter 3. In guarding their fortune, men are often close-fisted, yet, when it comes to the matter of wasting time, they show themselves most prodigal. Read that again. You'd never hand a stranger your wallet. Today, a dentist got 6 hours and only asked for 1. Epictetus would sort the day into 2 piles. The 3 o'clock sits in the pile you don't control, and every hour before it is yours. 2 piles, theirs and yours. The Stoics never said, skip preparing. Prepare once, then stop paying rent on it. Here's how you fire the sentry. 3 moves. 1. Externalize the watch. Set 1 alarm you actually trust for the moment you must stop. In 2011, Massicampo and Baumeister found a specific plan quieted intrusive thoughts of unfinished goals, and your alarm is that plan outsourced. 2. Give the morning one small task with its own finish line. Not the novel, the one email. Something that reaches done before the sentry gets loud. Watch the flag. 3. Shrink the protected buffer. Guard the 30 minutes before the alarm on purpose, like a meeting, and everything earlier stops being pre-appointment time. Watch the bar come back. And if a waiting mode day still swallows you, that's not failure. Researchers still debate how much is anxiety, how much is wiring. It's a mechanism, not a character flaw. Look at tomorrow's calendar, that small square at 3 p.m. 1 alarm guards it. 1 task owns the morning. 30 minutes belong to getting ready. 3 guards drawn around 1 square. And at 9 a.m., the day is yours again, all 6 hours of it. The appointment only ever needed 1 guard. It never needed you standing watch all day. Eos Stoic. Chaos to clarity.